Hey guys, I wanted to show you my camera system I have on the Humvee. I got the rear mounted camera right there under the bumper, and I have two blind spot or side view cameras on each side of the truck, all infrared. They're really clear. Also have a front facing camera right inside the windshield right there, and there's the other side camera. Turn them on here at the switches right here. Switch that, power it on. And there's all four cameras. Then you can switch from every view on the big screen. There's the rear view camera. That's real nice and clear, all HD. And there is the front facing camera right there, all DVR, and it's pretty sweet. I mostly use the rear view camera as it has a wide viewing angle. So yeah, if you need any questions or anything, hit me up.